Kel. Pick up that old washboard right there and play us a few more, eh?
Only if you're promising a slice.
Oh, it's always a pizza with you, isn't it?
次の曲はコニーアイランドウォッシュボードを演奏しルイの昔の恋人リンダに捧げ
Linda! Linda, Linda!
Hey! I am not Linda, okay?
Okay, you're not Linda. Got a song for her, though. How's that one go again? Oh, like that. Down by the beach, there lived the sweetest peach, playing a chord on her washboard. Folks are gathered round everywhere in town just to hear that sound on a